Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Bitcoin video. Now, it has been a couple days since I have made a upload here, and that's just due to the fact that my little boy, my 3-year-old, had his birthday, so he just turned 3. So I had to take some time off and back into it right now. So looking at how things have been performing here with Bitcoin, we have seen this dip with Bitcoin recently, and how things are currently playing off is we could be within seeing a possible C wave in the works here after we're correcting from everything that's been going on with the whole FTX fallout. As we can see here, as we've come down quite a bit here with Bitcoin from its all-time high, stayed within this falling wedge, which has hopefully completed its wave 5 to the downside with the old FTX fallout that had taken place, that had taken it down into a new 52-week low, which was a price of $15,460, which is where it had landed at. And since then, we have been moving away from that and also moving away from this falling wedge line. So we're making this transition. We're seeing Bitcoin's price move away from the wedge. And now we're hopefully seeing this recovery take place. Of course, you're going to expect, after we see some price movements, you're going to see some pullback here and there take place, and that is what we've seen. And now there's this possibility here, as we're moving forward here with Bitcoin, that we have seen an A wave, and this could possibly be that completion of a B wave. No guarantees yet that we've completed the B wave, but there's that possibility that we have. And then now we could be within this C wave starting to form here, and hopefully this C wave will be the one that will do a lot of this correcting that we need to get back from the whole FTX fallout, and hoping that we will see the price of Bitcoin going somewhere within the price of, say, $20,000 to upwards closer to $22,000 within the C wave. A lot of potential, I think, that we could be seeing this correction, but obviously this is going to take us further out. This is going to take us possibly sometime within, possibly even within the month of February. So keep that in mind, that there is going to be some time here that it is going to take place to see the C wave complete. So don't look at the line here and expect it to be an exact timeline. I still would expect that to take place sometime within the month of January to sometime hopefully within early February to actually complete. Now, a couple other key things here to point out is, if we look over at our moving averages, we have Bitcoin working on attempting to get over that 20-day moving average. Hopefully, we're going to be able to manage doing that and find support into the next day, and then go for that attempt to try to get over that 50-day moving average, which is at the price around $17,500. And then we have our 100-day moving average that hopefully we can pump up into, just like what we're seeing within the wave A. And that would be at a price around $18,700. And the nice thing is, as we would go to hopefully complete this wave C, we have our 200-day moving average, which will line right up within that, which the 200-day moving average currently is at a price around $22,000, or a little bit less than that. And that would take us right back to where we were within the whole FTX fallout. And if we manage to get over that and pump through that, then that can be a potential very bullish thing. We haven't seen Bitcoin on the other side of that 200-day moving average since the last time was back in the month of late March into early April, and that was when then we had seen the price of Bitcoin really come down a lot and complete this wave 3, where it had gone to a price in the middle of June. And that at that time, things had gotten really bearish with Bitcoin. We haven't been able to get on the other side of that 200-day moving average since then. So we've really been down since the beginning of April of 2022, since the beginning of the second quarter, I should say. So it would be nice to see Bitcoin on the other side of that, and hopefully that can lead us into much larger price movements as we move forward. So hopefully we continue to keep on track here, keep moving away from this wedge pattern, and not only that, start hitting these price predictions that we have. And also, if we can manage to get over that 200-day moving average here within the next month, that would be great. That would be that very bullish thing that we would need. And from that point, if we were to see this all play out, if this is all in fact the start of a new set of patterns here, a new wave 1 in the works, then there could be a lot of potential to see this wave 1 really take us up a decent amount, which of course would retrace us further than we were from the wave 4 when we were coming down here. And I'm thinking we could be seeing this wave 1 go somewhere within the range of say $30,000 to even $36,000. Take us somewhere in between where we were within the wave 3 as it was coming down. I think that there could be that potential, but of course, this is going to take us sometime into 2023. So keep that in mind. I'm not talking about any of this being something that's going to happen here very soon. This could be something that could happen possibly within the second to third quarter of 2023 to actually see complete. So that's the further outlook. But of course, we just really need to get over all this stuff here in the short term. So I'm still accumulating Bitcoin in the hopes that we're going to be seeing this wave 1 take off. And then hopefully, eventually, as 2023 could be a much better year. And of course, 2024, as we get into other things like the halving with Bitcoin and the rally that could hopefully or should happen following that, just like we've seen in past history. And from that point, cross our fingers that we would be able to see a nice little rally take place. But that's the update for now. I know this video is a little bit all over the place. Usually they're more on track here, but just trying to get back in the groove of things. Crypto has been wild. So anyways, with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I usually talk about multiple different cryptocurrencies every single day. So if you like content like that, please do consider subscribing. And I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching and listening.